If you're ready to stop chasing people all over the internet and ready to start using a system that's going to help you generate leads, find buyers, and promote your primary business on autopilot, check this out. What's going on? My name is Michael Petty, and I used this system years ago, and it helped me do exactly that. I generated a lot of leads, I got a lot of commissions, and I got signups into my primary business from this one simple system. Now, the system is $7. You earn a $6 commission, and it's all done for you. It's going to send out emails on your behalf, promoting the system and promoting your primary business. And it has no resistance, because what most people want is more lead and more eyeballs in their business opportunity. But this does it for them. So you don't have to pitch anything, right? You just tell people that's what the system do, get in, check it out. Very, very simple. This is one of the most easiest ways I've ever promoted. One of the most easiest ways I built my business. And I made the decision to go back to it because it has updated 2.0. And on the back end, there's a lot more commissions you can earn, but it's completely optional, completely up to you. You go at the pace you want to go. You want to use the $7 system and just promote your business, and that's it, cool. If you want to go higher, whatever you decide. But one thing I like to do is lead with this and let it promote my primary business. I just have to focus on helping people get what they want. More leads, more sales. And I talk about this system, I share the system, and I know it works. So there's no resistance of me putting the information out there. And it's a win-win, right? The one reason why I stopped promoting it because it was outdated. It was, but they brought it back. They updated it. It's clean. The sales page gives you all the information. Clean and design, easy to read, a lot of testimonials, answer the most common questions. Everything is pretty much done for you. You got your lead capture page, you got the email campaign. This system is 100% ready to go. All you have to do is plug and play. So nothing to build, nothing create. You feed it traffic, you allow it to bring in the buyers and promote your business. How simple is that? No need to reinvent the wheel. No tech headache. It's so simple. This is a no BS way to find buyers. If you want to check the system out, click the link that's down in the description. But if a person understands that logic and said that just makes sense, right? It's all done for me. I didn't got to do nothing but just plug and play. And it's only $7. I got a business. It's attracting other people, other builders, other buyers, and it's going to put my business in front of them. If a person has to think about that, this is not for them. It attracts the right people. Put this out there. My name is Michael Petty. See you in the next video.